McDonald's broke our hearts when they discontinued the Big Mac snack wrap. But what if I told you you can make it even better at home? We are going to begin by mixing together our secret or Big Mac sauce. You're going to notice there's no ketchup in here. McDonald's is clear they don't put ketchup in here. The color comes from the paprika. Mix it up, set it to the side. The next thing we need to do is put our dried onions in a little bit of water, because you know McDonald's loves those dehydrated onions on the Big Mac. You're going to take your hamburger meat and make 4 patties of it. Then you're going to cook it. You're going to season both sides with plenty of salt and pepper. Then when your burgers are done, you're going to take them out of the skillet and set them to the side. We're going to build our snack wrap. Tortilla, sauce, lettuce, pickle, cheese, onions. Take that burger, cut it in half, and add more sauce, and there you go. You have a discontinued favorite, and it's better than ever. Save this recipe and tell me what else you want to see next.